My name is Christian. I'm a maintainer of Log4j, and I was there when Log4Shell broke the internet. We had a security incident, which became later known as Log4Shell, which is one of the worst security incidents that happened in the past decades, if not ever. I could not imagine that something like this would happen to our project. We're just such a small library, hidden in the big applications. So usually nobody is interested in what we are doing. So how can we have a security issue so critical? But it turned out it was a little bit more like a bomb dropping, like apocalypse coming up in my inbox, so to say. Suddenly I thought, oh my God, this is not just one application or two applications. This is literally all Java applications in this world could be affected. It always felt like developers are the weak link to me. What most of us don't know is how to make secure software. Ignorance, this is the worst thing that can happen to any developer. This is the worst security issue that you can have. So ignorance will basically break all software. I was not aware of this, but now I am, thanks to the GitHub Secure Open Source Fund. With the training, my whole idea about software security changed completely. So now I'm thinking about, can I even pull this in? Who actually created this? What does it actually do? What kind of subsystems does it ask for? I'm really thinking different. If we have enough training for enough people, then open source will be more secure, and then eventually all the other applications that build on open source will also be more secure. Security is important. You cannot ignore it. It's not possible. We break not only us and our well-being, we also break the applications out there. And the only way to not make this happen again is when somebody gives you the opportunity to join such a training, then you say only one word, and that is yes. Maybe thank you.